Welcome again. In this part, I'm gonna be showing you the regards, how to say good morning, how to say good afternoon, how to say how are you doing, blah 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 blah. I know you're gonna be happy with this part. Okay, so let's start first with the word good morning. Good morning. We go like صباح الخير. صباح الخير. صباح الخير. Can I hear it from you? Again. Okay, now you're telling me صباح الخير. What would I reply with? I gotta go like صباح الخير as well. Same thing, just like in English, when you go like good morning, you reply back by good morning. Okay, next let's go to good afternoon or good evening. Both have the same meaning here in Egypt. مساء الخير. مساء الخير. It can be used as good afternoon or good evening. Both are right. Okay, so مساء الخير. Can you hear it? مساء الخير. Come on, let's say it together. Me and you. مساء الخير. One more. مساء الخير. Well done. Okay. Next, let's learn how to say how are you to a male, not a female. To a male, not a female. Okay. Ezayek. 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 How are you for a male? Ezayek. Come on, let's say it together. Me and you. Ezayek. Again. Ezayek. Great, well done. Okay, now let's learn how to say how are you for a female. We go like Ezayek. Yik. We go down. Okay, Ezayek. Now let's say it together. Ezayek. Again. Ezayek. One more. Ezayek. Okay. Ezayek. Now you just asked how are you. So you gotta reply by two things together. You gotta say good, thanks God. Good, thanks God. As here in Egypt, we always use the word thanks God for a lot of things. So first thing, we can say good, which is tamam, 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 okay? Or you can use the word Kowayes, Kowayes, use whatever is easier for you. Tamam or Kowayes. Again, tamam or Kowayes. Let's say it together. Tamam, Kowayes. Well done. Okay, now let's learn how to say thanks God. Thanks God. We go like Alhamdulillah. 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 Let's say it together, me and you. Alhamdulillah. Again. One more. Okay, well done. Now you knew how to say the regards to any Egyptian citizen anywhere in the world. Okay, so you learned how to say good morning, good afternoon, how to say how are you, and how to reply back for all these things. So now let's go to the next part. I'm gonna be showing you how to present yourself in a very simple way. There's another part for very detailed presenting yourself, but now this part gonna be simple and it's gonna be easy to be used. Okay, so let's go to the next part.